Kikubor Kibabania. Nongïalam ka National People's Party Timothy di Shira ula Ïehnoh yakakam kum usembut lampang jong gayeng darbar thau ain gajala henne kasngi lampang gayeng darbar Thomas Sangma ula pentikna ya gajing Ïehnoh kam jong ushira ka Business Advisory Committee kalashim yakarai ba ka election na kabanta ka tega kam ka bathali kanlong ha ka khat artarik menta ubnai ka badai kasngi bakhadu jong ka darbar sanrai jong gayeng darbar.
This morning, I have received the letter of resignation from the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Deputy Speaker, and accordingly, I have accepted it. Immediately, I had called for an emergent meeting of the BAC Business Advisory Committee to decide and review the calendar of this ongoing autumn session as to when we can take the time to elect a new Deputy Speaker. So we had accordingly sat down, the BSC had sat, and we have decided that the election of a new Deputy Speaker will take place on the last day of the autumn session.
Suddenly, it's up to our party I come up. That also, I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM, then he said, Awang, you better resign tomorrow. I did not ask why also because I don't like to ask why.
Emily Balasha